Hello everyone! Today, I'm going to show you a new way to grow ginger. It won't require much maintenance. This method helps create deeper soil, retain moisture, reduce weeds, and provide plenty of space for ginger rhizomes to develop. I will use old tires to grow ginger. Here I am reusing 6 tires. Next, I will prepare the soil. The first material I use is eggshells. Crushed eggshells mixed into the soil help provide a slow release of calcium, slightly improve the soil, and support plants over the long term. But they are not an instant solution for blossom end rot. Can you see that? That's an earthworm right there. Here, you can use fresh ginger and separate a large rhizome into smaller pieces. Then bury them in the soil, but be careful not to plant them too deep, or the ginger may have difficulty sprouting. A small hole about 1 inch deep is enough. After that, cover it with a thin layer of soil. To help the ginger sprout faster, I use straw or dry grass as a surface mulch. Add a little water over the straw mulch to create the best moisture conditions for sprouting. Now, let's wait together for 1 week. 1 week later, I check the ginger rhizomes inside the tire. As you can see, the young ginger shoots have already started to emerge. At this point, add a little clean soil to cover the surface around the young ginger. The purpose of this layer is to retain moisture, protect the roots from heat, and help the plant become more stable after planting. After adding the soil, replace the old straw mulch on top. These are the ginger plants after 20 days. You can see that the ginger stems have reached a height of about 6 to 8 inches. At this stage, ginger does not need much nutrition yet, so we do not need to add anything else. After 1 month, you can clearly see that the ginger plants have reached a height of 12 to 16 inches, and the leaves have become larger and more numerous. You can also see that the ginger rhizomes have started to swell. At this stage, ginger needs nutrients to develop its stems and roots, so I will begin fertilizing the plants. The ideal fertilizer for this stage is worm castings. Just apply a small amount around the base. Worm castings provide gentle, stable nutrition for young shoots without causing shock like strong chemical fertilizers. Add a little more water to provide moisture and help the nutrients dissolve more easily. After that, I add another layer of soil around the plants. These are the ginger clumps after 2 months. You can see a noticeable difference in growth. The ginger clumps are now about 12 to 24 inches tall, with many green leaves and multiple pseudostems forming a clearly defined clump. Underground, the roots have spread vigorously, and the mother rhizome has started producing many new ginger shoots that are ivory white or pale yellow. At this stage, the plant is still mainly feeding its leaves, roots, and young rhizomes, while significant rhizome enlargement usually begins around months 3 to 4. That is why I will continue adding organic soil around the plants to help them build reserves for the stronger rhizome development stage in the coming months. I will tie the ginger leaves together. The purpose is to keep the ginger clump upright, prevent it from falling over as the plants grow taller and produce more foliage, save space, improve airflow, reduce leaves touching the ground, and limit certain moisture-related diseases, and help distribute sunlight more evenly. After 3 months, you can see that the ginger clumps may already begin showing signs of readiness for harvest. Signs that ginger is ready to harvest include leaves gradually turning yellow and drying from the bottom upward, while the pseudostems turn yellow, wilt, or naturally fall over. At this point, the underground rhizomes are usually much larger, have firmer skin, a deeper yellow color, and the soil around the base may be slightly lifted as the rhizomes expand. Now let's take a look at the results after more than 3 months of care. I will pull up one clump. It feels very firm and solid. As you can see, there is a lot of ginger inside the tire. From a single small ginger rhizome, many ginger clumps have been produced. You can achieve a harvest of 5 to 10 kilograms of ginger from 1 kilogram of seed ginger. If you want stronger flavor, more pungency, and firmer mature rhizomes, let the plants continue growing for a longer period. To be honest, I'm very happy with these results. Just over 3 months ago, I planted only a few small pieces of ginger. And now, these old tires are filled with healthy ginger rhizomes. It's incredibly rewarding to see that all the time spent caring for the plants, watering them, and adding soil has paid off. Gardening doesn't always produce perfect results, but this harvest certainly did not disappoint me. Now, wash them clean so they can be stored and used in your kitchen. Now, I'd like to introduce a nutritious drink made from ginger and roselle flowers. First, I slice the ginger into thin pieces. You only need 1 small ginger rhizome. After slicing, I cut the ginger into thin strips to help release more of its essential oils and beneficial compounds. Next, I place the ginger into a teapot. Then, I add about 3 to 4 dried roselle flower calyces. By now, you've probably guessed that we're making roselle and ginger tea. Finally, I pour in hot water and let it steep for about 3 to 4 minutes before enjoying it.